Hello, and you're watching Claptrap. We are back again. Once again, we are going to introduce a new segment of ultra luxury furniture just for you. And before we begin the video, we personally would like to thank the owners to let us be the associate partner. Let's begin the video. Hi, Radhika.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
Welcome back. I'm good.
Thank you very much. And rather, I should be saying welcome to Claptrap once again. And we are shooting season 2.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
so great.
we already have shot one video.
Yeah.
All right. Before we start talking about it, let's start with the basic, the name of the store and what all we deal into. Just tell our viewers about the store.
Since it's the season 2, our first video is already on the best YouTuber channel, Claptrap. So we are touchwood mesmerized by the response we have gotten in the first video. So that's why we invited you again to
Pleasure.
showcase our latest collection. And this is a step up for us. And, you'll see in the video.
Right.
And some surprises are also in.
ओके कूल तो जो पहले हमने वीडियो किया था हाउ वाज द रिस्पांस उसका रिस्पांस कैसा था
It was touchwood very good, keeping in mind the corona time. But touchwood, it's very great. I mean, we have gotten such great response from the viewers, and you will see more new collection over.
So starting with the very basic question, the name of the store and what all we do basically.
The name of the store is Curio by Bajoria, as it's the new segment of Bajoria products, which are modern plus classic also, and majorly we use like teak wood and all. So,
Okay.
Yeah. So it's you'll see the carving products also, and the new new finishing that we give to teak wood to introduce teak wood into more modern contemporary look.
Okay.
So that is the new thing that we're going to show you.
All right. Do we take turnkey projects as well?
Yes, our main domain, you can say, it's customization only.
Okay.
So we also do like house visits
Uh-huh.
and the suggestions and everything
Uh-huh.
about the apart from the civil work, we do everything in interiors,
Okay.
like the wardrobes, even doors, anything we can do apart from the civil work. And our quality, you'll see in the
Come to
upcoming
see.
scenes.
Okay, and see there are sections of people. Okay, there are different segment of people. Those who buy different kind of furniture, and people always compare. I know this comparison is relevant, and sometimes people make wrong comparison also.
Yeah.
Some products are cost effective and some are not. So how do you look at it from the designer perspective? Because you are a designer yourself. When it comes to the pricing, how do you look at the market right now?
See, it's actually very difficult for us to really make the customer understand the price difference, because
Okay.
the designs, if you see, people can copy, but we like make them understand the quality is the major thing. I mean, design is nothing to copy as such.
Right.
So we focus on the quality, and when the customer gets this point, then he's ready to compromise for the price, and that's no doubt.
Okay.
And touchwood, as far we have gone, the
Uh-huh.
customers are really happy for the products we deliver them.
Cool. Very convincing statement. So never two look alike, two clone. No two similar products are of of the same quality. That's the reason price also varies from one to another depending on the design and the quality.
Yeah.
Right. And we deal into the upper luxury and upper ultra luxury segment
Yes.
only.
And both the contemporary
Uh-huh.
and classic range.
Okay. And you being a designer, do you have a team of people those who actually keep on designing for you in terms of furniture?
Actually, yeah, my colleague, which you must have seen in the first video.
Right.
So we both are designers for our own,
Okay.
Curio.
Uh-huh.
So we design the things mutually, and some are bespoke items by the customers also. So if we like that item, we then add it to our display also.
Cool. So time to explore some products now.
Yeah, sure.
तो आप कैसे दिखाओगे?
I hope you will like my products, which are the new collection, which is also the polishes are also new, and you will also see some new designs, very creative. So,
Okay.
Yeah, let's see.
So we'll highlight देखेंगे हम.
Yeah.
ठीक
sure,
है.
yeah, sure.
Alright, so starting now, कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे अभी?
So we'll first start from our beautiful leather chairs.
Okay.
These are pure leather chairs, and it's like you can customize in other fabric also.
Uh-huh.
So the design remains same, and you can get it customized also in any color, any fabric.
Okay.
And coming here to the center of attraction, this beautiful console.
Uh-huh.
It's actually a fusion console in which you can see the carving also, plus the straight line design.
Right, it goes together very well.
And it's the new finish that we have recently introduced, and we are liking the how it's come out.
Uh-huh.
So you can see it's like a golden hint also in this.
Right.
So it's a white antique finish with golden hint.
Right, little distressed look finish is given to
you
it.
can say it's a
Okay.
distress finish.
All right. And is it is it being done for the first time that the straight line and the carving is being, that the fusion is being created for the first time?
Actually, we keep on
Experimenting.
experimenting with our products.
Okay.
And the same with the polishes also.
Uh-huh.
So it was like a hit and try for the stone to
Okay.
get. So it came out very nicely.
Mm-hmm.
We also have used in some other products also.
All right.
So you will be coming and seeing it.
Sure. We'll check out. Okay, so these are the high wing chairs basically.
Yeah.
Pure
these are
leather.
high.
And what is the color? This color is?
It's a tan leather color.
Okay.
It's 100% pure leather.
And oriental legs, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So time to tell us the price now.
This beauty comes with a cost of 68,000 as
Okay.
we quoted for the MRP.
Uh-huh.
And since I said if you opt for a normal fabric, the prices will
Vary.
vary.
It may go down, it may go up also. Because there are some sellers, because I know a couple of stores in India, and I keep on telling this to my viewers. There are some sellers, some brands, they are selling fabric, normal clothes for 75,000 rupees per meter.
Yeah.
It came as a
Maybe
big surprise.
When Curious also a brand,
Uh-huh.
maybe we can also do that.
But that's a very ultra luxury.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one you said 60,000 rupees.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we'll also try to extract some creative point from you, because you being a designer can guide us. So where to place them when it comes to the placement of these kind of chairs? Are they suitable for bedroom or drawing room?
No, I would suggest you to keep in the living room or a drawing room where you have a decent big wall, and against that you can also opt for one chair.
Okay.
One chair with an ottoman,
Okay.
and you can, it's a cozy corner of the house.
All right. Okay.
And you can read your books or do something there.
Okay. One more question. I know I'm asking too many questions related to the placement of furniture.
Yeah.
This is supposed to be placed right, in contrast to the wall, or otherwise it will merge with the brown color wall.
Yeah, you can make the contrast, like you can make the chair as an accent piece of the
Okay.
wall. The wall can be even pure white.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool. Going to the next one. This table.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is a beautiful table. We have added mother of pearl, if the audience must be knowing. This is all the mother of pearl work, which is going throughout the borders of the table.
Okay.
It's called MOP also.
Right.
So it's and the legs are solid teak wood, because the stone and the MOP is quite heavy.
Right.
So we have done the solid teak wood pieces legs.
Okay.
So to hold that, and it's also adding to the beauty. We have done gold leafing in that, and you can see it's like shining like a glass.
Right. And what is this center part is made of?
It's the onyx marble.
Okay.
The shades in the onyx that we have are yellow, and this is white. So it looks both.
Okay. All right. Cool. This is very pure white.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is imported onyx. This onyx is basically imported, है ना?
नहीं, ये
Indian का
हाँ
है,
जी,
ये India का है.
हाँ जी.
Okay. Just tell us about the measurement now. What is the size of this? The table का size क्या है?
So this is a 6 by 3.5 rectangle.
Okay.
Actually, nowadays it's the trend of a new, like a bigger center table.
Okay.
Because you have scope of, putting some decor pieces in the center.
Right.
So it's good to go for a bigger,
Center
unit
table.
if you have a sufficient space in your
Right.
room.
Provided you have a space.
Yes.
You have that kind of space.
Yes.
Okay. And how much is this for? The
This
cost
is
of this?
1.48.
Okay.
1,48,000.
Oh, cool. All right. We are moving inside now. Let's go. Check out.
Yeah.
All right. So these from 10 chairs to black dining table. Okay, dining chair set,
It's a
beautiful.
8-seater.
This is 8-seater.
It's a
Okay,
8-seater dining,
okay.
and you can see how beautiful it's looking.
Uh-huh.
You can customize the chair colors and the designs also. You have some options,
Uh-huh.
and it's like a 8 by 4 size,
Uh-huh.
and we have given gold leafing polish in this.
Okay, all right. What is the most important part in a dining table? Because we hardly come across designers, so we will try to extract as much knowledge as possible. What are the parameters? How to decide for a good dining table?
I think you shouldn't compromise on the size. I mean, if you are buying a 6-seater,
Okay.
you should be taking minimum 6 feet. I mean, it's comfortable for the guests to move their hands around, and when they're having some food. I mean,
Right.
it's easier if you have some space to
Okay.
take some dishes. I mean, also talking about the decor, it's good that you have some extra space so that you can lay some good runners over it.
Okay.
And it look more appealing to the guests.
True. It looks very royal and
Yes,
very
yes.
classy, huh, when you have these things
Like
in
small
place.
things make difference.
Correct. And if we talk about this particular one, these chairs are little bigger in size
Yes,
because they come in the ultra luxury segment.
Yes, yes.
They give extra comfort.
Yes, I
Okay.
mean the comfort is as compared to a sofa. If you're sitting on a sofa,
Oh,
it's like
okay.
that. Yes.
All right. Beautiful legs. Again, the same leafing work is done.
Yes, you
Okay.
can see it from behind. It's like fully chested,
Uh-huh.
and it's like the color options you can choose any. We have
All
kept
right.
the gold and black.
Okay. This goes very well. The entire setup is looking very good,
Yeah.
but this again can be customized.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Talking about the price now.
It comes with a price tag of 3.1, which is 3,10,000.
3,10,000.
Yes.
Okay. When we missed out on the top part of it, what this top is made of? It's onyx.
Onyx marble only. Again,
Uh-huh.
it's in the yellow shade.
All right. Honey onyx is it called?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. We go to the next one now.
Yes.
Okay. Before we go to the next one, I have 2 million questions to shoot. These chairs can be, of course, can be customized in terms of
Customize
colors.
any color, any fabric.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the design also.
Yes, any
Okay.
design.
Suppose I'm liking this table, but I want to replace chairs.
You
Is
have
it possible?
all the options.
Okay. Cool. We go to the next one. All right. So going to reveal the next piece of work.
Yeah.
Okay. You call them beauty.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the latest addition to our display.
Okay.
It's actually a fusion design, as you can see.
Huh.
The chair tone is different, the table is different,
Right.
the bench is different.
Okay.
So it's a fusion concept, and it's all in solid teak wood section.
All right. And the real cane.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Just to add to this, this
Mhm.
is not the plastic can, it's a natural can,
Ah.
and it's way more durable.
Right. Right. This is a
Yes.
very common myth in the minds of
Yes,
people.
yes, yes.
They believe that the plastic
Yeah.
will last longer
Yeah.
than the real cane,
Yes.
but which is actually wrong.
Yeah, it's the other way opposite. I
Right.
mean, it's more durable than the fabric also. I would
Okay.
say. Yes.
Cool. And how many seaters this is?
It's a 8-seater
Setup,
dining.
okay.
Yeah. And actually, you can add it where you have less space, and you can have a 8-seater dining. I mean, just to compare these two dinings, which is shown earlier.
We just showed earlier.
Yeah, that was 8 by 4,
Okay.
and this is 5 by 5.
Okay.
So you can make out that the sitting space is same,
Okay.
but it takes less space as compared to
Yeah.
that one.
Okay. So this is in this without compromising on quality and
Yes,
look.
quality and the number of seats.
Okay.
You can go for a square
Space,
shaped dining,
which
It
is more
takes-
space
yes,
saving.
Yes, yes.
And bench, of course, is adds the value.
Yes, yes. And if you like, you can have all the chairs also, like 8
Okay.
chairs.
Okay. But
It's
I'm
your
liking the
choice.
way it is. It has a
Yes.
Victorian touch.
Yes, yes.
And then also it has your little bit of oriental touch.
Yeah.
And then tropical touch to make
Yes,
it even best because floral is tropical. Okay.
Again, it's in the distress finish.
Okay. Very nice. And I'm little miser and little stingy. What I keep on giving these ideas to my viewers that if you are running short of seating arrangement, you can drag this bench out and use it in your dining
Yes,
area,
yes,
in your
sure.
drawing room. Hai na?
Yeah, yeah.
Right?
You can drag it anywhere in your bedroom also.
Okay.
Yeah, in front of the dresser, anywhere.
Okay.
So
So that's how we make it multi-utility
Yeah, yeah,
product, right? And how much is this for, the way it is?
This is for 2.6,
Okay.
and
Which includes 6 chairs.
yeah, it includes all 8
Eight chairs.
like
Eight.
the 6 chairs and this ottoman.
Okay.
Yes.
And the table with the
full
glass
set,
top.
Yes.
Okay. Without the props.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to the next one.
Yeah.
Pradika, the next beauty.
Yes.
Okay, tell me.
So it's a two-seater. You can also call it a love seat.
Okay.
And again, you can add it in a
Uh-huh.
a plain white wall,
Uh-huh.
and the chair. This set will work as an accent piece.
Okay.
And we have chosen a very vibrant color,
Uh-huh.
and it looks good. I mean, you can also add this as a two-seater over a plain white wall, and it will look
Very elegant, and I love the legs. Huh? It doesn't have the gold with matte finish, huh? Is it?
This is actually the metallic finish.
Okay.
So again, this is a new addition that we have done.
Uh-huh.
So earlier, you must have seen the gold leafing work.
Uh-huh.
This is metallic,
Okay.
and the wood is
And the wood you were saying, wood is?
teak wood.
Okay. All right. This again is a Chesterfield effect, huh, on
Yes,
this.
yes.
Okay. All right. And the throw is looking very elegant. Do we sell throws as well?
Actually, it's a surprise. You will be, shortly seeing the unveiling the
Okay.
surprise.
Okay.
So it's a new addition.
All right.
I'll just disclose it.
And-
And also we have, added the studs
Mm-hmm.
to give a more vintage look to it.
Right. Very nice piece. बहुत खूबसूरत है ये. And tell us about the price of it. ये कितने का है?
This is actually 23,000 per seat.
Okay.
So it's a two-seater.
All right. So it becomes 46.
Yes.
Okay. And I am attracted to this. Tell me, this is a skin?
Yes, it's pure skin,
Okay.
and it's a puffy. You can also, use it as a table also. I mean,
Right, right.
yeah.
Okay.
It's a multi-purpose thing basically.
Okay. And how much is this for?
This is 35,000.
Okay.
Yeah. Again, it's leather,
Hmm.
so the
Right.
price is accordingly.
Correct,
If you choose
yes.
any other fabric, obviously the price will differ.
Yeah. And then I can see some gold work, which is electroplating done on the
Yes,
bottom.
yes,
Hmm?
yes.
Okay. Cool. Very nice.
And it gives a very rich, warm look to
Right.
the house.
Correct. All right. We are going to the next one. This one is?
It's actually a foyer piece.
Okay.
I mean, if
In the
you
center
have-
of the foyer
yes,
area.
Yes, yes. If you have a bungalow, or you have a
Hmm.
a walk-in area which is broader and it looks like empty,
Hmm.
so you can add this piece as a center,
Okay.
and it's like you can see the workmanship.
Hmm.
It's all solid, like log of teak wood, and it's all handcrafted.
Okay. And how much is this for?
This is for 1 lakh
Okay.
with the onyx marble top.
Cool. See to another seating arrangement.
Yeah.
Tell me, Radhika.
So here is the other beauty.
Okay.
So these are like high wing chairs,
Uh-huh.
but in solid teak wood.
Uh-huh.
So you can see we have used grey suede color
Right.
with the white polish.
Okay.
So it's a contrast thing, and it
Uh-huh.
looks beautiful. You can go for it, and we can, customize the colors, and you can also customize the polish tones.
Okay. Generally, these kind of pastel shades, they look good with darker walls or lighter walls?
Yes.
Both?
Yeah, both.
Okay. And what are the colors in these days? If we look at from the designer perspective, what kind of colors people are choosing?
Pastel colors, I would say, like
People are
light
choosing.
baby pink color, pastel blue color.
Okay.
That
ठीक है.
is. So, and in wing chairs only, like
Hmm.
it's a pop color which is easy to maintain also, na?
Right.
If you like use a lighter color in a bigger unit,
Uh-huh.
so it would be a high maintenance product.
Correct.
So you can add lighter colors in the single wing chairs or in cushions.
Oh, very valid
Yeah.
point. Lighter chairs for the smaller size of furniture,
Yeah,
so it's easy to maintain.
yeah.
Okay.
Because the lighter colors, it's like
Right,
hard
little
to
difficult,
maintain, yeah.
right? Especially when you have kids and
Kids
pets.
or pets, yeah.
And how much is this for? This particular piece?
This is 45,000.
Each. Okay.
Yes,
This always looks. They always look two of them. They look together. They look good together rather than keeping one.
You
Do
can
you
go,
advise
again,
in pair?
keeping in mind the
Space. Okay.
You can go for one also, but again, it looks good in a
In a pair. Okay. Okay. All right. So time to unveil the next beauty. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice piece. Tell me about this.
It's like solid teak wood
Uh-huh.
sofa,
Uh-huh.
and we have done a dull gold antique polish in this,
Okay.
and you can see it's looking amazing with a darker tone fabric.
Uh-huh.
We've used dark gray,
All right.
and if you see it from like a closer look,
Uh-huh.
you can see the handcrafted, carving.
Okay. This carving, I'm sure this is done in solid teak wood
Yes.
because there's no other wood which can support this kind of carving, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Totally.
And generally, people, when they craft something like this, when they make something in the carving, they generally choose fabric. It's very tacky and a little low grade. I mean, they go for jacquard or they go for the printed one or maybe tropical, which doesn't look
I
that
think
graceful.
it looks very busy, right?
Huh.
It's the design because the carving is also, you know, a pattern already going.
Right,
So, what I think you should opt for a plain fabric.
right.
And we have used a plain grey suede fabric.
Uh-huh.
And you can add some prints with the cushions that we have, you know, we have also done that way.
Okay.
We have used pattern
Uh-huh.
by adding cushions.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So right now what we have available is two-seater and three-seater. Okay. All right. From sofas to table. Okay. So you were saying something that we have this three-seater, two-seater.
And two. And
Okay.
with the side tables, I mean, it's a set. We have also designed the side tables also.
Okay.
With the set, in the same carving.
Just to match with the
Yeah,
carving.
yeah.
And how much is the price? How much? What is the price of this one?
The sofa is actually 32,000 per seat.
Okay.
Yeah. And the side tables 18 each.
Okay.
And the table is 45,000.
Okay.
The
All
center
right.
table size is 5 by 3.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Cool.
I think with in front of a 3-seater,
Uh-huh.
at least the side table length should be 5 feet. That's
Okay.
what I think. Yeah.
Correct. Very good input. And sometimes people do not remember these ratios and everything falls
Yes,
very
because
wrong.
when the person is sitting on a 2-seater,
Uh-huh.
it's like very far away for that
Correct.
person to, you know, pick something.
True. So this is for 35,000 rupees per seat.
Yes.
Okay. We go to the next one.
So it's a, you know, a bed which people, the ones who like bling in their, you know, furniture items, they can
Okay.
opt for this design. I mean, it's a shiny, you know, the glass effect is giving a bling look.
Uh-huh.
So the people who like bling in their furniture, they can opt for this.
And this has got two side tables as well.
Yes.
Okay.
So the center table, the side table is also in the glass finish only
Uh-huh.
to make it a part of the bed only.
Okay.
And,
So they're coordinated.
yes. So in the hardware, we used the push open hardware in the drawers,
Okay.
just to avoid the knobs or handle in front of it. So it will look, you know, more sleek and nice.
Less space occupying, basically, right?
नहीं मैं just
As in, you know, it will be safe to actually operate without the handles because
Yes,
handle
yes,
at
yes.
times they create obstacles.
yeah.
Okay. And how much is the price of this?
This bed is in the range of 1.2
Okay.
with the both side tables
Uh-huh.
and hydraulic storage.
Okay. Cool. Okay.
So yeah.
Yes,
So
yes. Tell
coming
me.
to this bed.
Okay.
So previously shown that bed, as I said, it's for the people who like bling in their furniture.
Okay.
And you can see this bed.
Uh-huh.
It's more subtle, and it's like the people who don't like any, you know, bling, and you know, the choice is very subtle, so they can go for this bed.
Okay.
So in this bed, we have done metallic finish.
Uh-huh.
In the metallic tones, I can tell you, you can also opt for darker than this.
Mm-hmm.
You can also opt for golden tone. This is a gray tone.
Okay.
So, and it's in the range of 1.5 with the side tables
All right.
and hydraulic storage.
Since it is a very neat, very subtle, there's a reason these side tables are also made that way.
Yeah.
Without less of hassle.
Yeah.
That doesn't look. It doesn't look very busy. Yeah.
Yeah,
It doesn't come right in the face. Okay. And the footboard and headboard,
Yes.
both are very subtle.
It's very, you know, sleek and, you know, very straight line model.
Okay.
And just to add, the panel which you are seeing,
Uh-huh.
it's also a part of the bed only. So
Okay.
the wall which is behind it,
Uh-huh.
so you don't really need to do anything in that because the bed is doing its work.
Right.
It's a very high back and
Right.
it's, yeah,
Okay. And how much is the cost?
1.5.
Okay. We go to the next one.
Yes.
Okay. From the bed to the dining area, dining table.
Actually, we have removed the chair just
Okay.
for the convenience of the viewers
Uh-huh.
to see the base.
Uh-huh.
Actually, it's a center base design.
Okay.
It's actually more convenient when you know, you don't have to see your leg hit the legs of the dining table. You know?
Right.
It's convenient that way.
Okay.
And you can also.
If we talk about this particular table, this has got the marble top with the wooden framing done around it.
Yes.
Okay, and the wooden base.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is 8-seater.
Yes.
Okay, and it comes along with
8 chairs.
8 chairs, and you can choose chairs according to
Yeah.
your interest, your
Yes.
according to your scheme,
Yes.
your house design. How much is the cost? How do you calculate this?
It's again the price tag of 3.1, same as the four-legged one.
Okay,
Yeah, the price
how
remains
much?
the same. 3.1.
3.1.
3,10,000.
Okay, with the couple of chair
Chairs.
options
Yes,
available.
yes.
Okay, right. We go to the next one.
It's a nice cozy color which
Okay.
I'm sitting on. It's a two-seater sofa.
Uh-huh.
So this design is called fully chested feel sofa.
Uh-huh.
And you can see the legs. It's
Uh-huh.
all, the SS
Metallic with
the
rose gold.
finish.
Uh-huh.
And it's actually useful. This design I
Uh-huh.
would suggest wherever the back is showing, like the sofa, when you enter a space.
Uh-huh.
If your back is showing,
Okay.
I mean, normally it's plain.
All right.
But here it's like fully chested. So even the back is more attractive.
Uh-huh.
So it looks complete.
Because this particular piece, generally sofas are 360-degree exposed,
Yeah.
barring few. For example, this one will have a bar, will have a wall behind, but generally two-seaters and single-seaters are exposed from behind also. That's the reason we have decided to do the Chesterfield this tufting on the backside
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And some people like it when they're very deeply tufted, which can be curated, of course.
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah.
Okay. What is the color of this one? This particular piece you have?
This is a deep grey, charcoal grey kind
Uh-huh.
of color, you can see.
Okay.
It's again suede.
All right.
You can choose any color, any fabric.
Okay. This one is two-seater,
Yeah.
which is of around 5 feet by
Yeah.
3 feet,
Yeah.
and the depth, the height is 18 inches as per the standard.
Yes, the
Okay.
sitting height.
Okay. And this one is four-seater, if I'm not
Yeah,
wrong.
that is four-seater.
Okay. Okay.
And in the two-seater, if you see, we have not given a division in between.
Mm-hmm.
So it looks more even. I mean, you can avoid the division.
Mhm.
As these days, I mean, the division is not so trend.
Okay. And before we reveal the price, it is important to know these cushions covers are matching perfectly with this because you have rose gold.
Yeah.
Are they coming along with it or they're extra? Because I don't think they're very cheap.
These are additional, like you have to buy it separately.
Okay, okay. Very nice looking, very befitting with the color because you have rose gold given in the legs.
Yes, and the grey shade is also coming in between.
Oh, yeah,
So again,
correct.
as I said, you can add colors and
Mhm.
patterns with the cushions,
Okay,
keeping the sofa plain.
right. This is four-seater.
Yes.
Okay, how do you calculate this in terms of per seater?
Per seat is actually 21 to 22 inches.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, in terms of cost, how do you calculate? How much is this for?
This design is 24,000 per seat.
Rupees per seat.
Yes.
Okay. And single seaters are generally more expensive than three-seaters and two-seaters because there's one extra arm in it, right?
One
Does it?
seater, one separate big chair you call.
Uh-huh.
It's like 1.5 seat of the sofa.
Okay. Cool. All right. So we go to the next one. Okay.
Now, as compared to the ones which are available in the market, the imported ones,
Uh-huh.
it's way more durable. I mean,
Okay.
you can see it's like all in teak wood,
Uh-huh.
and this is like one piece of teak wood. I mean, there are no joints in
Throughout.
between. So for added strength, you can
Mm-hmm.
see. And it's like you can see it from behind also.
Mm-hmm.
It's very classy. It's tall.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you can use it over years, and it will remain as is.
Right. And generally, distress finish furniture, they don't have this kind of lacquer finish or maybe the shine.
Yeah.
So what we have done basically, we have given the distress finish.
High gloss finish.
Right. At the same time, distress.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's what I was, discussing earlier.
Uh-huh.
That we have added more shades of polishes in the teak wood to
Okay.
give it a more modern look.
Right. Very nice. This is looking very nice. This is, I don't think, I've not seen anywhere, people have not done the experiment or I have not seen. Very nice. बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है ये. अभी इसके बाद क्या देखेंगे?
इसके बाद lobby sets, will come to lobby sets.
ठीक है. All right. So going to reveal the next piece of bed, right? Okay. Then okay. So tell me, Radhika, this is very nice little compact bed.
Yeah, again it's in teak wood.
Okay.
And we have done white and teak polish in this.
Uh-huh.
And it's like proper king size bed.
Oh,
And
okay.
you can also customize the sizes if you want queen size or
Uh-huh.
the space is short,
Uh-huh.
you want the length to be 5 feet, anything
Right.
can be done.
Okay. And very nice intricate carving done on this,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, not too heavy, not
Huh.
too, yeah, just the light.
Okay. But something tells me, oh, there are wheels as well. This is not a bed.
So, so
Okay.
I'm just going to show you.
All
It's
right.
like it's a sofa under.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
So
right. This is a
just
sofa cum bed.
yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So you have got the storage
Okay.
also.
Ah, this is
And
100% laminated.
yes,
Okay.
for extra, low maintenance thing. Yeah.
Correct.
And it's also in our beds also.
Okay.
Like all the
All the
beds.
beds are
Yes,
laminated.
yes. And it's a sofa.
Okay, you can do it. Oh, you did it. It's so simple. Generally, we don't
Yeah,
edit
it's
these kind of
actually
videos.
one person can do easily.
Huh. All right. So this has become a bed now. We generally, whenever we fold or unfold sofa cum beds,
Yeah.
deliberately we do not edit that video because it shows that it is easy to maintain.
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice.
In the
Okay.
daytime, you can use it as a sofa, as a three-seater sofa.
Or is huh.
And actually, it's a great place to add in a guest room.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, yeah, as a three-seater sofa, and when someone comes, you can use it as a bed.
Correct. Generally, sofa cum beds, no, they're very boring, sad, and they look very
Yeah.
compromised in terms of quality,
Yeah, yeah.
in terms of looks as well.
Yeah.
Okay. And there's another problem with sofa cum beds. They're not very feasible when it comes to opening and closing.
Yeah, just now you saw, I mean, I opened it and closed it single-handedly.
Okay.
So, of course, anyone can.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool. Now you have to tell me the price of this particular unit.
Yeah. It's for 68,000.
Okay.
It's a proper king size,
Uh-huh. Bed.
sofa cum bed.
Hmm.
And you also have storage at the side. You can,
Hmm.
put some magazine or something.
Okay. And the fabric is also very high-end fabric used on
Yes,
it.
it's all suede.
Okay. Not the cheaper one.
Yes.
Okay, so please come here. And you're a designer. I want to ask you something about the upholstery.
Yeah.
Suede and velvet, there are two different fabrics. How do you distinguish them basically? And which one is better?
Actually, no doubt suede is better. It
Okay.
doesn't take the dust inside it. I mean,
Okay.
You can just dust it off and it won't soak in anything.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And the velvet?
Velvet is, I mean, it's also shiny.
Okay.
I don't like the, shiny
Okay.
thing of that. And also it's, very thin, it's a thin fabric.
Okay.
Yeah.
Compared to suede. So any day you can always choose suede over velvet.
Yes, no doubt.
Okay. And now time to tell us about the cushions, and then you told us in the beginning there are some giveaways. What are those surprises?
So here is the, it's a new addition, you can say,
Okay.
the Curio, and
Uh-huh.
it's a furnishing segment basically.
Okay.
All the bed linens, runners you saw,
Uh-huh.
beds, the cushions,
Okay.
all are part of our own segment.
Mm-hmm.
And just to add to it, the first 10, viewers of Claptrap
Okay.
who, wish to shop from here,
Uh-huh.
we'll give them something from the furnishing segment
Okay. As a gift.
as a giveaway.
Okay, as giveaway. Okay, lovely. So just to simplify this, once again, we are saying the 10
10
first 10 visitors,
viewers of Claptrap,
visitors,
yeah,
visitors coming to the store, they can get this designer, these two or one, the set of one or two, depending on the availability.
Yes.
They-
And you can see these all are designer
Uh-huh.
pieces. I mean, you can see the colors
Okay.
showcased on the sofas also. All the cushions, upholstery, all are from the segment. And
Okay.
Again, you can also get these customized also.
All right.
Yeah.
There's one request I want to place. Okay. Radhika, in case there are viewers of Claptrap watching it from somewhere outside, maybe down south or maybe other states outside Delhi NCR, they cannot personally come here, but they wish to shop and they have to place the order. Please consider them as well as the visitors.
Sure. We are
Okay.
very flexible that way.
Okay.
Any kind of help we are
Okay.
very willing.
So these giveaways are available for the people, those who may not be walking in but placing the order.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Done. Thanks a lot for showing us around. Wonderful experience. We got to learn a lot of things. Not many stores do it, but you have done it so wonderfully. And you are a designer, so kindly help our viewers to get the right
Sure.
unit of
The
furniture.
viewers can always connect to us from the given numbers,
Uh-huh.
and we will be happy to help as always.
Thank you very much. You have been extremely cooperative. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So, time to sign off. Before we do that, it is important to remind you that visit this store and be the lucky winner of these wonderful cushion covers. And I am already the lucky one because I have you as a family member. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.